art friends. We're going to be drawing the Kansas City Chiefs mascot, Wolf. And so I'm going to get this laid out here. So I got my bearings on it. And I know it looks really scribbly, doesn't it? And sometimes when you start a drawing, that's kind of how it looks. So now that I know where stuff's going, now I'm going to start drawing Wolf from the Kansas City Chiefs. So I'm going to start with a circle nose right here like that. And then I'm going to draw a line coming up, across, and back down. And you see how these are real curvy. Then I'm going to draw a line up, around, and back down. And then I'm going to draw a line down, ziggy zag, ziggy zag, ziggy zag. And I'm going to come over here and do kind of a curvy, wiggly line. Wiggly, 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 because this is going to be his ear. And then I have smooth line. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Wiggly, 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 wiggly. Smooth. And then over here, wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Wiggly, wiggly. Then we have some zigzag lines coming down and back around. And then this is where his shirt is. Okay, then we got the eyes. So we've got one circle, two circles, and then inside there we got another circle with another circle inside that. And then Wolfie has a unibrow, like so. Then here's his shirt. Here's his shirt. And I'm gonna draw it down and across, back up with a curvy line, down, down, curvy line. And he's doing a pass. He's acting like he's the quarterback. And here's some more wiggly lines because he's a wolf. And there's his claws. And then here we got another line here. And we've got the arrowhead logo. KC. Woo! There we go. And then here's his little wolf arm. And we've got the football. And he's grabbing that football. There we go. And he's going out for a pass. And then here's his pants. I'm just gonna do simple pants, and then here's his wolf tennis shoes. Just like so. And we're putting him on the ground, and he's throwing that touchdown. Woo! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.